Tired of paying full price for your DoorDash orders? Let's unlock some savings. First, launch the DoorDash app on your phone. Look to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the account icon. It looks like a little person. Great. Now scroll down this page until you see credits and promos. Tap on that. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll see all your available DoorDash credits. These credits are automatically applied to your next order when you check out. Take note of the total amount you have available. The amount will be clearly shown at the top or listed below any active credit memos. Now, let's say you're ready to order. Go ahead and add all your favorite food to your cart. Head to checkout once you are ready. On the checkout screen, you'll see a breakdown of your order. You should see your DoorDash credits automatically applied, reducing the total amount due. If, for some reason, you don't see the credit applied, check if there are any specific conditions or expiration dates on the credits. Some credits may be specific to delivery or pickup and can't be applied otherwise. Once you confirm that the credits are being applied and you're happy with the new total, simply tap Place Order. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your delicious meal at a discounted price. Be sure to subscribe for more DoorDash tips and tricks to save even more money on your future orders.